Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I thought that for this video I could fix up these bar clamps that are my dad's. They work perfectly fine, but they're rusted out. Not rusted out, but they've got an extensive patina. And I thought it would be fun to fix them up and make them look a little better. So let's get after it. Well, one day, and that got rid of most of the rust. I think I'm going to brush it a little bit and get the rest of it off of there. I think what I'm going to do is paint this part and this part and this part, and then just leave the threads and the handle unfinished. I may just put shellac on those. So anyway, back at it. Okay, well, I'm out here in the shop and I've got the pieces that I painted yellow drying in front of a heater, as you can see, and I don't like the yellow. It doesn't look good, and So I think it needs to be black. I've just got that feeling. So I've got a small amount of satin black and flat black, and I've got some satin clear if I need to put some of that on it. But I'm getting rid of the yellow. So here we go. Well, that turned out pretty good, I think. I definitely think that the black looks better than the yellow. I'm not even sure I'll ever use these, but hanging on the wall, I'd rather see this than see the rusted thing that's there. It's all lubed up and it works super good. That's about it. See you next time. Thanks.